So full. So far so good. Our spinach with courgette, yeah, and bell pepper spinach stew is ready. And one in the challenge by Bianca is busy as some night. Critical Miss Quarter in our sure. And yes, that's kitchen is more agro. It's man, yes, the sister, don't go there. Probably keep watching our YouTube channel and copy some of our recipes to spice your homes. Arakwado, ebusia mbonjo. Ebusia fry na wire konda dam no. One the wire kama nkwana so no dem no. Wo fa no dem light soup. You will find for board fufu. Miss Peas Ban Papoya, Hilda's Kitchen. Good food always made in a clean environment. Hey, how are you? Say Peasy Ban Papa, oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen, oh yes, Ban Papa. Hello, how are you doing? I am doing very well. Today I am here to prepare a very sharply nice, tasty, light soup. Right, let me give you the hints of the meat I'm using today. So over here we have our oxtail, salted beef, chicken, crabs, herrings, and some crabs. I'm a fancy, obviously, so whenever I cook, I try to add everything. If you don't like it, you are not obliged to add it, okay? But just follow the recipe and make some and eat, yeah? So stay here with me. Don't skip through my video because today Mrs. Peas Ban Papa or your Hilda's Kitchen. Always, as you can see, good food made in a clean environment. And again, thank you so much for the 30,000 subscribers. Spinach stew is also about happen now. So this is my diced onion and diced courgettes, yeah? So let's add this to our oil. I'm using Zumi, right? That's chili, pepper, so as you can see, this is basically onion, courgettes, and I'm adding this is ginger. I've also added my pepper, you saw it earlier on. Wow, for you there, come on. I've also got, this is diced red bell pepper, right? It's not always one way. Spinach, tomatoes, no. Eat the veggie, no. Eat it. Pepper before you bear come out. Contemporary bench, but anyone with a yes, as no you. Oh yes, zaza. Oracle. Say Peasy Ban Papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. It was some catch oil made in a clean environment. Jimmy's and Uncle Suguda. Come and Diana. I'm gonna steam and come as you can see. I don't want it to get too soft, so I'm adding the rest of the ingredients. So this is ginger paste. I blended it yesterday because I always like organizing myself. Well, yeah, let's go with the rest. So this is what you are seeing going in now. Is bell pepper, courgette, carrots, onion, and pepper, scotch bonnet, right? Or Charlie Unquan by a kama. Oh, yes, pan purple. Whilst we are continuing our spinach here, this can easily pair with yam, plantain, rice, benkun. Yeah, oh boy, this is the j. So guys, this is shaki here. Yemade na mizilugum no. Ebusha mizi beef ligum nicely. Wash it very nicely because I'm not going to steam it. It will be too soft. So I want it to, onka shishim. Yeah, nde zoo. Za papa no. Oh, but the papa, and I've also got myself. This is real salted beef. Yeah. Oh, what you do? I've got some cotton so kakra. Make sure them are fancy. And you to me as a cotton cotton as your froy. Cotton cotton, you to is your froy. Oh, yeah, down rough. Oh, baby. Salted beef. I dear feel what come from beef in a man and what sister Toby. A poto no shinging, a poto. Sea snail on a mizugum no honey. Sister Toby. It's been by a camba. It's been a rich. Maybe name is tomatoes and spinach name, sister Yarrow crying. Wow. Watch a fall by in the bride, nothing by a camba. Our spice blend. The soup is also cooking. Look at that. The soup is cooking very nicely. Falling one in the fry, I come and I'm a boy. And no man, no womb, vegetables, so why chop. Charlie, spinach so cotton in our woman, it is a Hilda's kitchen. Shy, I'm still two more the cotton cotton or the fry, papa no. Oh, what you do? Another banger. Mushrooms, yeah. Veggies in it, oh, yeah. If the veggies are wow, or maybe they look good, beautiful, and handsome. Say that say. Oh yes, band purple. Sister, I'm sugar. Wait for it. We are now choose mepe. Either you prefer my light soup or my veggie extra veggie spinach stew. No, say that say. Or dim, boko. No. Watch your yebi. If your video you are now thumbs up. Leave nice comments. And if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do subscribe to Hilda's Kitchen. Jack, always join me and let's spice our homes eating healthy. Very beautiful, yeah. Baby. I'm now adding my water, which I always prefer using hot water. Look at this beautiful soup. Ah, let me read the moon show. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah. Light soup made with courgette, bell pepper, and carrots. Sister, try it and thank me later. I Foxtail, come on. Foxtail, come on, come on, come on. As Naya corner. Pop baby. So finally, our light soup made with courgettes. Yeah. Pacho, what's your program? Mammy young quani be more. Akuko womb sister. Beef womb. If you are named the unquanano, unquatranum womb is more quiet to me, sister. Everything is on point. Wow. Or record yeah. Shock still. You do food, sister. Jay. Or record. Panya. Fisher, quarter, beef, shake, everything is on point. Namushma to Wami, a Mabi, and Quanohan, sister. Jay. What are you eating this special Sunday afternoon? Friday, right? What did I say? Sunday. Hey, Sunday. Guys, when I see fufu, it's like me winning lotto. I'm telling you, register kako, urban, oxtail, beef, mushroom, Charlie. Everything is on point. Fufu no so. Mommy, you can have. Oh, yeah. You are all invited. You are all invited. Just leave your nice comment under the video what you are eating at this special afternoon. Bye-bye.